transition demo. Transition demo. That's why I'm using the word demo, so that I do not name my class after any of the built-in classes. Okay. So I will get rid of the rectangle and the play and all of that stuff. This will be, I'll do this one with circle, which we have created once before, but this time we will be creating the circle right from the constructor. So we have a circle 50 by, starting at the 5010, it's a radius of 50. Should be 10 will be too small. Let's do 100. Okay. Then the circle will be filled. And the circle will have a stroke, which will be an outline black color. Okay. And let's now assign, instead of VBox, let's see if I want to use group. I want to assign my group circle object. Okay. Get rid of line 23 and my root. Since it's a group, I can now give some kind of a background color to my scene. Okay. Okay. Now let me start working with some transition. So I have a translate transition. Equals to new translate transition. So we will be shifting the x coordinate of the center of the circle by 400. So it will still be going within the plane because the plane is 600. That's what my scene is, up till 600. So they'll still be fine. Okay. So it is x to 400 and translate dot set duration. We're going to set that in milliseconds as before to 1 second. Set the cycle count. And just like before, we'll try to do the auto reverse to true, so it comes back after it completes this cycle. And then we will set the node to circle. And then we will make the animation play. Okay. Okay. Let me test this one real quick. Why is it giving me an error? Oh, I misspelled the millis. Yay.